So today I'm doing a review of this small espresso coffee machine. I was looking for a small espresso coffee machine for my office and I found this one on Amazon. Now I will do unboxing and then I have a espresso coffee, so I'll test it out. This is what you're gonna get in the box. Everything was packed very well in the box. Inside is the coffee machine. And then you're gonna get this one. I already have the double espresso basket inside. If you need a single shot, you can change the basket. Then you're gonna get this one. This is from the milk. Also, you're gonna get this too. You can scoop the coffee, and then after that, you can flatten with this part of the tool when the coffee is already in the basket. Also inside, you're gonna get a user manual, and this card is the warranty card. There's a QR code. You can scan it and activate the warranty of the coffee machine. The first thing I will do before I test out the machine is wash the water tank. The water tank is 42 ounces. I will remove it now, wash it, and I will fill it out with water. Now I will show you what you need to do only before first use of the machine. You don't have to do it every time when you fill out the water tank. You just need to plug in the wall outlet, and then from here, that's the start button. You need to press it. And now all the lights, they are flashing. That means the system is preheating. And when the lights, they stop flashing, that means the system is ready to be used. It will take just a few seconds. Once it's done, you need to put a cap here under the milk filter. And then I'll show you here. You need to do with the lights are off. All of them are on, so they stop flashing. Now what you have to do is just turn this one to the steam and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. That means water is going in the system inside and the coffee machine will be ready to use. Again, you need to do this only before first time use the espresso machine. Okay, it's done, and now I'll make the coffee. Now I will test it out to make a coffee. First, I need to put coffee in the basket. I'll be doing a double shot. So make sure that you fill the basket with coffee, and then with this part of the spoon, you can flatter. Okay, and now you need to put it here. Make sure it's locked. Okay, and now use this cup. I choose a glass cup so we can see the coffee inside. And here, that's the button for single shot. That's the button for double shot. This cup is a little bit taller, but still, it fits. You can see now the coffee looks nice, smell nice. And I guess when the coffee is done, the machine will turn off. I don't have to press anything. Yep, it's all done. Now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna steam a milk. You need to press this button and now it will start flashing. The machine will be ready to use the milk frother when these lights stop flashing. I already have poured some milk here. Make sure whatever container you use, you put milk less than the half of the size of the cup that you are using. The lights stop flashing. Now we can use the milk frother. You need to put this one inside of the cup, and then here you need to go to the steam. Okay, now I will add the milk inside into the coffee and I'll make myself a nice cappuccino. There we go. Looks good. Regarding the milk frother, I recommend that it needs to be washed every time after you use it. Otherwise, it will get clogged. How you can clean it? You just unscrew from here. This bottom part, it will come out, and then you can wash it. Also, on this too, there is a pin that you can use in case this part got clogged. So you just use the pin and clean it. Now I will wash it and it's ready to be used again. This part on the top, it's heatable. So if you want to keep your coffee warm, you can put your cup on the top and the coffee will stay warm. I think if you're looking for a stylish espresso machine that's easy to use and make a delicious coffee, you can consider trying this.